To navigate to the Khan Academy website, you must type in the link www.khanacademy.org. Now, the Khan Academy is a free online tool for learners, teachers, and parents. Before we get started on setting up an account, let's take a quick preview of the math programs available. Let's look at math by grade. Each grade level is divided by the Common Core Math Standards. You will see a list of units underneath each grade level title. For example, let's look at kindergarten. There's a unit on counting and place value, addition and subtraction, and measurement and geometry. To get a more detailed look at the lessons and objectives of each unit, you may click on the unit title. For the kindergarten unit on counting and place value, we have a lesson on counting small numbers 0 to 100, counting objects. Now, each lesson begins with an introductory video presentation and several other video presentations to support the learners. There are also guided practice that could be used as a formative assessment, followed up by a quiz after several lessons used. At the end of the unit, there is going to be a unit test that could be used more so for a summative assessment so students can demonstrate their mastery after experiencing the unit content.